Hello! Today I am going to unboxing Disney Pixar's Toy Story on Disney Blu-ray and Blu-ray 3D. Let's start with the special edition Blu-ray. Before Finding Nemo, Monsters Inc., and Cars, the creative minds of Disney Pixar introduced you to Toy Story and an astonishing world where toys play while their owners are away. Rediscover acclaimed filmmaker John Lasseter's directorial debut with Woody, Buzz Lightyear, and all their friends in adventure filled with humor, heart, and friendship in a must-have special edition. This groundbreaking computer-generated classic started on and set the stage for the quality amazing Toy Story 2. Enjoy all new bonus features, including an exclusive sneak peek at Toy Story 3, the next chapter of the exciting adventure. It's non-stop fun for the entire family, and now on Blu-ray featuring Disney-enhanced high-definition picture and sound is a sensational part of any collection. And the bonus features includes new Toy Story 3 sneak peek the story, new Buzz Lightyear Mission Locks Blast Off, new 3 animated studio stories, new Buzz Takes Manhattan, Making Toy Story, Filmmakers Reflect, Delete Scenes, and Design Galleries, and over 90 minutes more bonus. Plus, a DVD bonus features includes new Toy Story 3 sneak peek the story, new Buzz Lightyear Mission Locks Blast Off, new 3 animated studio stories, new Buzz Takes Manhattan, and more. Let's open up now, shall we? Here we have is a Blu-ray disc and a DVD disc. Next we have is a Blu-ray 3D. Let's open up now, shall we? Here we have is a Blu-ray 3D disc and a Blu-ray disc. And there you have it. Well, I hope you joined Disney Pixar's Toy Story on Disney Blu-ray and Blu-ray 3D.